And still in St. James, there is a resolute stance this evening from the ruling Jamaica Labour Party about the extension of the state of emergency in the parish. The issue should come up for debate in the upcoming sittings of the House of Representatives and the Senate. The Attorney General, Marlene Malahoo-FORTE, and the Mayor of Montego, Homer Davis, are defending the extension, even as they urge the opposition to get on board. TVJ's Anthony LUGG has our report.
A showdown now looms in the nation's parliament over whether the state of emergency in St. James will be extended. The opposition has some concerns. The Attorney General is warning against a partisan approach.
We are at a place where both sides of the parliamentary aisle need to be united in sending a clear message to the criminal element.
If the state of emergency is to continue, it has to be supported by a two-thirds majority in both the House of Representatives and the Senate. That's why the support of the opposition is critical. However, the opposition believes that there's an over-reliance on the state of emergency as a crime-fighting measure and has criticized the government for not having a comprehensive crime-fighting plan.
This is not a time to divide on whether the state of public emergency should continue. It is not the only tool that the government is using, but I shudder to think that the parliamentary opposition would want to send a message to the criminal element that it is not united with the government in taking a stance against this horror and terror that the nation has been experiencing and that St. James has been experiencing.
Whereas the MPs are set to clash over the issue, Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, claims that councillors in the St. James municipality are united.
My 17 councillors are in support of a continuation of this exercise. So we don't have any dissenting voice in our municipality down there. And when I speak with citizens from right across the political divide, they are in support because we are down there. We are feeling what is happening.
He argues that business activities are not being suppressed as the authorities are merely enforcing the laws that relate to the opening and closing of business hours. What though of human rights violations?
We have to give credit to our security forces because there isn't any complaint, or if there are complaints, there are few of any police brutality and excesses, right? The police are conducting their operations. Yes, they bring people in for questioning and detention and it might take, a little longer time than normal, but I'm sure that they are being released within 4 days, based on what I heard, is really the average time that they release.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.